Okay, so I thought I would come out here this evening and show you what I had worked on yesterday. It's a work in process, just like everything else. But before we get over there, where are they? Right here. Here's some of the, I believe that's the auroch I planted out here. Starting to get a few little things coming up in this bed. I'd found some different edibles, flowering edibles that go well with strawberries, and hopefully the strawberries will spread this year too. Those are the last two that made it, those are the two that made it through the winter. But this is what I worked on yesterday to put around our little fig tree. There's some more tumbleweed that blew in. But if you can tell by looking at the trees, the wind, I checked the weather a minute ago. The wind is blowing 21 miles an hour currently. It said it was going between 20 and 30, and that currently it was 21. But as you can see with this little baby fig tree, the wind shelter that I got up yesterday is working wonderfully. So I figured I needed to protect it a little bit better. Now this, the plan is that here on these, I am going to put in some pots, some little planters, so I'll be able to get in like 6 small planters on each side. And that should help, give additional help to the wind protection for that fig. I can't believe how this wind, well, I can't. This is all the time for us. But still, a beautiful, beautiful sunset. Oops, nearly lost the camera there.